Got dogs. Got dogs. Got Seth. Got dogs. Got horses. Got dogs. More dogs. I think Hard Heart's out there. It was the night before Easter and all through the house. Only dogs were stirred while they were eating the mouse. Now bring it back. Bring it. It smells like smoke.
Yeah, no, I can't figure out who's burning.
And dogs. And horses. And more dogs. Dogs. Hey, you. You went on camera? Jade? Jady? Go wet. Ugh. 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 Stop it. These are dogs. I'm not telling you the dogs' names. Why? I don't care. Seth is getting on a motorcycle. The dogs are gonna go chase that motorcycle. Oh, except for Hard Heart and Jade. Hard Heart's in there. Hard Heart's and Jade's right here. Hey, Jade. Hi, girl. Diesel's the black. Diesel's like the pure black one, and then Zelda's the like spotted one. Hard Heart's pure white, and then this one's Jade. You better remember those names. There's gonna be a pop quiz on this. Don't smell the phone. Stop it. You don't lick phones on a YouTube video. Hashtag dog. Hashtag dog.
Worst case scenario,
I'm filming a YouTube video.
don't put their nose on that, you'll burn it.
I got a question. Do I have permission to upload this video?
Okay, go outside.
Take that as a yes.
Go upload a video of your uncle wrecking into the fence.
I can't find him.
He's headed out front.
Okay.